In this video, we're going to look at some linear equation applications. So let's go ahead and read the first one. It says a hamburger and french fries contain 690 calories. This is 32% of the recommended daily calorie requirement for many adults. Find the average daily calorie requirement for these adults. Okay, so that's what we're trying to find. The average daily calorie requirement for adults. So we're going to let that be our variable x. Okay, now we're told that the hamburger and french fries have 690 calories, and that is meaning it's equal to 32% of what we're trying to find. Now, 32% of something, we have to change 32% to a decimal, so 0.32 times our x. Okay, so there's our linear equation, and it'll be very easy to solve. We just need to solve for x, so we're going to divide both sides by 0.32. Okay, so in our calculator, we'll do 690 divided by 0.32, and we'll see that x is equal to 2156.25. So if we rounded to the nearest calorie, we would say that the average calorie requirement for these adults is about 2,156 calories. Okay, and you may know that the normally we kind of round it, we say 2,000 calories is the recommended amount, so this seems like a reasonable answer. Okay, if we'd gotten something like 5 calories or something really low, we would have known it wasn't right, and if we had gotten something really big, we also would have known it wasn't quite right. Okay, let's look at the next one. It says Jolene borrowed tuition money at 6.5% simple interest. At the end of 1 year, she repaid the loan, owing a total of $17.35.95. How much did she originally borrow? So how much she originally borrowed, that's going to be our variable. Okay, now to repay the whole thing. So if she repaid, the amount she repaid is going to be the original loan plus the interest on it for that year. So if we kind of follow that, the amount she repaid was $1,735.95. We're calling the original loan X. Now the interest on that we said was 6.5%. So the way interest works, we're going to take that as a percent. We're going to move the decimal 2 places, so 0.065 times the original amount she borrowed. So there's our linear equation. Now to solve it, we can simplify like terms first. So this is like 1x. So we can combine those two pieces. So we'd have 1.065x. Now we need to divide both sides by 1.065. So that's something you can do in your calculator. And we see she originally borrowed, so we would get 1630 equals x. So we can write our final solution. We can say Jolene borrowed $1,630.